Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: the certificate number, applicant name, date of birth, and the application reference. Once done, log into the issuing portal or call the helpline. Keep your receipt and a notepad nearby. Make sure to select SMS or email updates so you receive real-time status changes. I'll explain why. Having the reference and contact set prevents delays when status changes require quick action. Now move to the portal and enter the reference exactly as shown on your receipt. You should now navigate the portal's tracking page and enter the reference ID and CAPTCHA exactly. Once you see status updates, received under review, approved, dispatched, read any notes about missing documents. That's important because missing items are the most common holdup. If the portal requests additional files, upload clear PDFs or photos using the required format and simple dated file names. After upload, return to the tracking page and refresh. Make sure the new uploads are acknowledged in the log. You finish by confirming the final status and the delivery method. If dispatched, copy the courier tracking number. If the process stalls beyond the typical timeline, contact the helpline immediately and provide your reference ID plus screenshots of the portal. This speeds escalation. For stubborn portal errors, clear your browser cache, try an alternate browser or device, and then retry. If online tools still fail, visit the local issuing office with your receipt and ID. That in-person step usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.